Okay, so today we are going to be reviewing the Hitachi straight shaft string trimmer that I have owned now for 7 years. I purchased this trimmer back in 2013 and it has been nothing but great. I can honestly say that I haven't really done very much maintenance to this machine. The only thing that I've recently had to do this year was replace the air filter, and it's just a foam filter element. I actually made my own replacement filter. As something that I've noticed is it is quite hard to find replacement parts for these machines. I've never even changed the spark plug in the 7 years that I've owned this trimmer, and it is a Champion spark plug from factory, not a torch spark plug like some people have claimed that these trimmers come with. So it's a straight shaft unit, and it has a solid steel drive shaft. What that means is that inside of this tube is actually a solid steel bar and not a woven cable like what is found in some other commercial trimmers. The warranty that was offered on this machine is a 7-year warranty, and mine has just ran up. And I actually used this trimmer for 2 years of hard mowing, and you can see that it did get some damage on the landscaping trailer that I had it on, and the exhaust cover there has actually broken. We'll go ahead and start this trimmer up. It starts up very easily and it runs well. So to start this trimmer, you just put the choke down like that. You push this primer bulb about 5 times, put the switch on and give it a pull. Now we'll turn the choke off. You can see it's cold. I'm touching the exhaust. I can plug the exhaust if I want to. That was a cold start, and it runs well. Let it warm up for a bit. As you can see, after 7 years of ownership, this trimmer is in very good shape, and I do think that part of the reliability that you're going to get out of this machine is also how you maintain it. I winterize my equipment every year to keep them clean. That way there's no rust buildup or any problems that you may have. I have had the shroud off before and the recoil assembly, and I've cleaned out any grass or debris that may have built up onto the cooling fins on the cylinder block. Honestly, I can say that this has been by far the best string trimmer that I've owned. And if you check out my other videos, you'll see that I own quite a few of them. And this trimmer has been the one that's never let me down. It starts up perfect every year. It's always the first or second pull, if not the third, and it's always ready to work. And one of the things that I've always said about these, having the solid steel shaft with the supported center bearings, this is one of the smoothest trimmers you'll ever use. Sadly, they do not sell these anymore, but if you can find one pre-owned, I would recommend buying it, as you'll never find another machine that runs quite as good as this one. And it's kind of a shame that they do not sell Hitachi or Tanaka string trimmers anymore. Every time I find one, I haven't been buying them recently, but in the past I've gone online and I've bought them pre-owned just because I know how good of machines they are, and I would recommend them. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this quick review of the Hitachi straight shaft string trimmer. This is a 21.1 cc engine, and it is a very good machine. I would recommend it. And this is what it looks like after owning it for 7 years, and it's been used every single season. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. See ya.